Have you ever heard the phrase, cross-examination does not equal angry examination? You want to know what this is about and how it applies in a civil lawsuit involving an accident case or a medical malpractice case or even a wrongful death case? Come join me as I share with you this terrific information. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury attorney, and this applies during cross-examination in any type of civil lawsuit that goes to trial. Now, most people think when they hear cross-examination that the attorney has to be aggressive, they have to be nasty, they have to be pounding over and over and over again. Well, guess what? The one thing that I learned in law school about cross-examination is that no, you don't have to be nasty, you don't have to be obnoxious, you don't have to be yelling and screaming. There is a time and place for that. There is a time and place for that righteous indignation. How dare you do that type of thing. But the reality is, you will find that the best lawyers in New York, the best trial attorneys, are ones who use that very sparingly. They want to show to the jury that this witness is not credible. And there are many different ways to do that, many different strategies and tactics to show that the person on the witness stand is not credible, is not believable. It might be a medical expert. It might be an eyewitness. Whoever it is, you'll find that the best trial attorneys are ones who have their own personal style. And I find that the best attorneys are the ones who treat the person on the witness stand with the utmost respect and dignity. They're so polite, they're so kind, but they harp on facts that are inconsistent. They harp on things that make no sense. They continue to go over and over different questions to focus the jury's attention on something this person said that was not accurate. But at the same time, they're so nice, so polite, so pleasant. And you might think, how is that possible? Because I see in the movies all the time, I see on TV all the time, that an attorney who gets up to cross-examine a witness has to be angry, has to be aggressive. Well, you know what? That makes great drama for the TV, for the movies, for film, and it's great to watch. However, in reality, in these cases that go on each and every day, it is oftentimes a much better strategy to be nice and pleasant. Believe me, there is time for that to occur, that righteous indignation, the anger and the yelling and screaming, to show to the jury that you clearly don't believe a word this witness is saying. So why do I share this quick information with you? I share it with you just to give you an insight and an understanding into what goes on in these civil trials here in New York. You know, I realize you're watching this video because you have questions or concerns about your own matter. Well, if your matter did happen here in New York and you're thinking about bringing a lawsuit but have not done so yet because you still have questions, what I encourage you to do is pick up the phone and call me. I can answer your questions. You know, this is something I do every single day and I'd love to chat with you. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Gerry, G-E-R-R-Y, at oginski-law.com. That's it for today's video. I'm Gerry Oginski. Have a wonderful day.